Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a soccer game for the beginners. It's not very hard. So let's start the coding, but we have to select sprites and backdrops. So let's go. So in the backdrop, here is the option choose backdrop. So we have to click in here. Sports. Here's the up selectors. You can select anything which one you are selecting, but we are making soccer, so we can select sports. Here's the all fantasy, music, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, patterns. Here's the patterns, but we want sports, so we can click in sports. So we are making a soccer game. So here is soccer 1, soccer 1, soccer 1, soccer 2. So we are clicking soccer 2. Here's it soccer 2, and we don't need this sprite, so we delete it. And here's option 2, animals, peoples, and fantasy, dance, music, sports. So we need sports. So here's it, all the sportsmen who are playing that. Now we have to choose soccer 1. These are the baseball 1. We're choosing soccer 1. So here's the band and a ball. We need ball for the soccer game. And one more sprite has to be in this game. So Jordan. So here we select our people sprites, and now we have to resize them. So I'm choosing 50 is best. Yeah, 50 is best. So let's do 50 in every sprite. Now it's perfect. Now we have to place them in their position. But do you know what is the problem? Yes, problem is this. Jordan is facing in another side, but we want to Jordan face is this side, in this side. So what we do for that? Can you know me? So we have to move their direction in opposite side. So how to move their direction for the coding? No. Yeah, coding has point in direction. If we do minus 90, it's point. But it's like going up and down. We don't need that, so we have to delete. We are don't making that coding. So here's the direction option. We click in here. So here's the facing 2 arrows. We have to click in this and put minus 90. So look, it's like it's good now, right? So we have to move that direction like this and place them in their place. Now let's start the coding. So let's start the coding with ban. The ban coding is, we have to know ban. We have to the game has to be, the ban go to hit and the ball goes to Jordan. Okay, so let's go to the bands coding and see what is the band coding. So for where's the band standing? Band is standing in this position. So first in events we go when green flag clicked, motions go to in this position. When green flag clicked, go to in this position. If band go here, so the when green flag clicked, he come back in the position. Then in the sound we click start sound. What of the sound? Whistle to start the game. Listen how it start. Like this. So we have to first going like this the coding. Then we have to put weight. Why we put weight? I answered you. Here's weight and motions glide. We have to put glide. Why we put glide? I answered you. So let's answer first glide. Because the band to hit ball, band is hitting ball, then ball go to Jordan, right? So I have to replace it. And where's ball standing? I think we do 0 in here. Okay. 0 minus 87. Okay. 0 minus 87 position is there. So I have to put in here 0 minus 87. Here is it and we put it. But first we have to get weight. It's going like this because we don't need this type, so we have to get over this back. It's going through too faster, so we have to put wait 2 seconds. So it's go like this, right? And then we have to put such costume because then costume is like this, so the ball kick like this, so I have to put ball to pattern B. So we go to looks and select switch costume to band B. Then we have to put a last coding. Do you know what is the last coding? I know, I understand you. Last coding is this broadcast. Do you know what is the broadcast? Broadcast is this. You have to send anyone a message to another person. So that called broadcast message. And for broadcast message, we do message to soccer ball. Understand? Like a WhatsApp. Everyone know WhatsApp, right? Yes, everyone know WhatsApp. So they choose WhatsApp for the messaging and photos. But the broadcast is like same. If you want to message anyone personally, so we can send them. So broadcast is this. So we have to broadcast new message. Ball moves to Jordan. Ball moves to Jordan. So we have to put broadcast message. Now the band coding is done. Successfully done. Now we have to go in soccer ball. Soccer ball has coding. When I received, ball moves to Jordan, glide to that position was Jordan is standing. Jordan is standing 184 minus 60. 184 minus 60, and then again broadcast. In events, broadcast message. Now broadcast messages. I am with Jordan. I'm with Jordan. But do you know where's the ball is standing? 0 point minus 87. So I need to has making a game. The ball stand there when the green flag clicked. So we go when green flag clicked, go to in this position where is Jordan ball is standing. So if ball is here, so when we click green flag, it's come back to here. Right? It's like kicking. Yeah. Now we have to go to Jordan coding. So Jordan coding is simple. Anything we don't have to do it. Just switch costume and nice try. We have to like putting weight, switch costume and one broadcast message. So here's when I received ball moves to Jordan, but we don't need this one. We need second. I am with Jordan. This coding. Switch costume to Jordan B. In looks, switch costume to Jordan B. Say nice try. Nice try. Then go to events, broadcast message, new message, ball is back. Ball is back. Sorry, not this one. I put ball is beach. So we have to do ball is back and do okay. Then we have to put weight in control, weight 1.5 seconds. Now I have to wait 1.5 seconds. Now we have to go in back to looks and say for 2 seconds goal. Goal for 2 seconds. Then we have to go back to soccer ball and go where events, go to events. When I received ball is back, go to motions, glide to in this position. What is in this position? This one. So I have to choose this one. Then go to sounds, play sound. We have to go sounds. delete this one sound and choose sports. Sports goals cheer. Then we have to click in here and say goals cheer. So until done. Now let's see the game. Nice. It's go. Nice game for the beginners. So the game is done. Thank you to watch this video.